Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial. For those of you who are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the newest tutorials. The stitch I'm going to show you today, it's a very simple and very beautiful. It can be used for a lot of projects, from scarves, blankets to all kinds of clothing. You need to chain multiple of 8, of course depending on how wide you want your project to be. Now grab your hooks and let's begin. Now, like I said in the beginning, you need to chain a multiple of 8. Here in my case I'm going to chain 24 chains. Here are my chains. Now row 1, it's very simple. We need to make one single crochet in each chain, starting from the second chain from the hook. Here's the first chain, skipping that one and go directly into the next one. And go in each chain to make single crochet. Now I'll just go ahead and make the stitches and I'll wait for you at the end of the row. Here is how it's looking so far. This is row 1. Now for row 2 we're going to start with the new color. Make a loop. And then insert the new yarn. Chain 2 and turn. We're going to start from the very first stitch right here, this one right below the chain. Go in there and make one single crochet. After the single crochet, make one half double crochet. Then we have 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Then we go back to one half double crochet. One single. After the single crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch and make another single crochet in the stitch after that. Then one half double crochet, then 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, then again one half double crochet, one single, and you get the idea. You need to repeat these steps until you reach the end of the row. After the single crochet you have chain 1, skip the next stitch and go into the stitch right after that. And finish the row with one single crochet here in the very first stitch, in the very last stitch, sorry. For row 3 we're going to continue with the same color. Chain 1, then turn. Again we're going to start here from the very first stitch with one single crochet, and we're going to continue following this sequence: one single crochet, then one half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and one more, 3, then one half double crochet, sorry. Then one half double crochet, one single, and after the single, chain one, skip one stitch, which in our case is the chain from the previous row, and go into the next stitch with one single crochet. Then we have one half double crochet, and then continue with the rest of the stitches until you reach the end of the row. And when you reach the end of the row, make one single crochet in the last stitch. Now for row 4 we need to bring back the first color. I'm just going to take it from below, but if you don't want uh, to have it visible here on the side, because look how it's going to show, you need to cut it and start with a new stand. But I'm just going to bring it from below. Chain one and turn. Again, we're going to start from the very first stitch right here. Make 7 single crochets in the next stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and that brings us to the chains. The next single crochet will include all these rows. So what you need to do is, here is the first row, the purple, go into the stitch which is right below the chains. Here the chain, 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 here's the stitch. Right here. Go into the stitch, take the yarn from behind and pull it through the stitch. Bring the loop a little higher, then yarn over and pull through both loops. And this is the single crochet. It includes all these rows in it. And then we continue with another 7 single crochets in the next stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then another long single crochet. Here the chains, this is the stitch below the chain, go in there, take the yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and continue with 7 more single crochets. And this is the end of the row. Now row 5, chain 1 and turn. We're going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Start from the very first stitch and work in each stitch 1 single crochet. Row 6, we're going to change again the color. Chain 1, so chain 2 and turn. Start from the very first stitch with 1 double crochet. Then after the double crochet, 1 half double crochet. Then we have 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch and make another. single crochet, then 1 half double crochet, then 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. So the difference with this rows here is that we actually started from the middle of the sequence with double crochet, and then we moved to half double single and then started again the same arc. And then after the 3 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch start again with 1 single crochet, and finish the row with double crochet at the last stitch. Row 7, we are continuing with the same color, chain 2, turn, start again from the very first stitch with 1 double crochet, then 1 half double crochet, 1 single, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, in our case the chain is here, going to the next stitch with 1 single crochet again, then 1 half double, 3 doubles, 1 half double here, 1 single, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and repeat again until the end of the row. And at the end you should finish the row with 1 double crochet in the last stitch. For row 8 we're going to bring back again the first color. Insert the color, chain 1 and turn, make 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and then here below the chains, here's the 1 chain, here's the 2nd chain, right below them the stitch in purple, right here, go in there, take the yarn, pull up a loop, make it a little longer, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then continue with 7 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then again we have chains. Here the first chain, the 2nd chain, and right below them is the stitch we need to go into. Here take the yarn from behind, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, and continue again with 7 single crochets. At the end of the row, finish the row with 3 single crochets, the same way as we started it. And row 9, the last row, chain 1 and turn and make single crochet in each stitch. This is the row. Go ahead and make the stitches, and I'll wait for you at the end of the row. And this is how it's looking so far. From here you need to repeat rows from 2 to 9. This is the sequence of the rows, so you can build this shapes and waves. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. Let me know down in the comments what you'll be making with this stitch. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!